it's weird not having people to talk to in my day-to-day life. The inner horse girl in me, I really do. And this is so random, but I really want to learn to horse ride. And I'm 28 and I'm 23 weeks until I turn 29. Let's do it, let's grow. Good morning guys and happy Friday. It's currently Friday the 13th of February. It's 8:27 a.m. and as you can see, it's a very gloomy and overcast day behind me. But I thought we'd spend the day together because I missed Wednesday upload, and obviously the key to starting anything is to be consistent, right? But I'm having like some major storage issues, okay? So I didn't end up uploading on Wednesday. However, it's Friday today and I thought we could spend the day together and just have a cozy at home day. I've got my Christmas pajamas on still. Yes, I'm wearing them in February that my auntie bought me. And I'm currently eating the brioche style hot cross bun with Cadbury chocolate chips in the middle. It's from Woolworths. If you're in Australia, you should get it because it's so soft and just honestly, just guess it's so good. I could just spend the day together. Honestly, I don't really have many plans yet because it's Friday. And I thought we could have a cozy at-home day together and just chill. Because weather's like gloomy, but it's actually really hot, guys. It's really hot. And I thought we could just spend the day together and maybe do some colouring in, because that's my current pastime. I got 3 new editions, the colouring collection. I'm gonna do a full video on the colouring hobby. I just haven't yet filmed it, but I really want to upload like a video of just my colouring hobby, because obviously I want to start a few hobbies this year. I really want to do, obviously colouring is number 1, which I'm already doing, and then another one I want to do is knitting. I really want to knit the Sophie scarf and the Sophie hood, and I really want to do needlepoint. I want to make like needlepoint Christmas stockings. I think it's so cute. No idea how people make canvases. I thought it looked cute, but I really want to do needlepoint. I really want to sew, and I really want to what was the other one? There was another thing I really wanted to do and I feel like I can't think of it at this split second. Or do you crochet? Is it crochet the Sophie scarf or knit the Sophie scarf? No, it's knit. No, use a crochet hook. Oh, I don't know. Either way, I would make the Sophie scarf and the Sophie hood. But yeah, I really want to pick up more hobbies, and I want to try new things. Also, I want to show you guys my notes. Not my notes. My tabs on my phone right now. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's literally just the horse girl. Oh look, they uploaded a new video. I didn't even see that. The inner horse girl in me, I really do. And this is so random, but I really want to learn to horse ride. And I'm 28 and I'm almost 29, like I'm literally 29 in, let's Google how many days until I turn 29. I literally don't even want to know because it really freaks me out. Now I'm only days until 24th of July 2020. Like literally 161 days away. As I film this, 161 days until I turn 29. How many weeks is that? Oh my goodness, it's literally 23 weeks. My birthday must be on a Friday. Let's have a look. I don't even know why I got into this anyway. I love that. Oh yeah, my birthday's literally on a Friday. So it's 23 weeks until I turn 29. So yeah, I don't know why at 28 years old I'm still can't do it. I really want to learn to horse ride. I've literally looked it up and I found a school that's like for beginners. And when I say horse ride, I mean like I want to like properly learn to ride. I don't just want to do like a 1 hour trail or anything like that. I like probably want to routinely learn to horse ride. The same way people routinely learn to drive a car. Basically, I really want to really learn how to do it and like be fluent at doing it. But the thing is, I have really bad anxiety and really bad social anxieties. I don't know. That's something I would love to do. But I've been looking at like schools and like classes that are close by and like classes that will take adult beginners, because obviously that's something a lot of people learn when they're younger. And I obviously 28. I have ridden a horse like before, but only in like those type of settings where it's like not like classes, not like one-on-one private classes, which is what I want to do. But we may bring that into something that I want to do. I've added it to my 30 before 30 list. I haven't finalized that, and when I finalize that I'll do like a full series on that. But because that's obviously a series I want to bring to the channel, and I also want to bring hot girls have grandma hobbies to the channel. So like I've got like so many ideas floating around and things that I want to like do and achieve and stuff, which is all just very overwhelming. And when you have anxiety and depression, everything's just like a million times more overwhelming and very like full on than it doesn't need to be. But yeah, I've been looking at like things that you like outfits basically that you can like that are more appropriate for like horse riding. So if I like wanted to learn like I could like the proper pants and stuff and like top. There's like certain clothes. Obviously I can wear like normal clothes, but I just want to wear like make sure like I feel like I'm fully prepared and like comfortable and stuff. So I found some cute outfits that like I'm gonna, if like I do decide to do it, that I can like buy and like reward myself with and stuff. And I've just been looking up. I haven't like contacted the school or anything like that. But yeah, I think it's really cool. And obviously 2026 is obviously the year of the horse. And for some reason I feel so strongly about the year of the horse. I don't know what it is, but like I feel very strongly about the year of the horse and the year of growing and the year of change. And I really think it's something that I'm going to do, guys. Something that I really am going to do, and I've always wanted to own a horse. I don't think it's something that I'll ever be able to own, but like it's always been something, like I've always been a horse girl. So the sudden like inner child in me that like me currently as 28-year-old, almost 29-year-old, loving horses again. And I've always loved horses, but like having that like same like love and desire to like want to learn to ride and want to be surrounded by them as a 28-year-old that I had quite literally as an 8-year-old. It honestly just feels like something like healing my inner child, and I just love that. Like I genuinely just love that so much. So I think that's something I'm gonna look into further, and I really actually think I want to do it. I think I want to do it. And I feel like that would really like fill my cup. But I think also go to my first ever lesson and really not like it. And if that's the case, that's fine, because like, I've given it a go and I've tried it, and like then I'll know. But I generally think it's something that like I want to stick out. Well, we'll look into it. But yeah, I I just thought I'd intro the vlog and have a chat. You don't really know about my hairstyle and stuff. So yeah, we could just spend the day together and you guys can keep me company, because honestly I get really lonely and I don't like admitting that out loud, but I do. I get really lonely and it's weird not having people to talk to in my day-to-day life. And yeah, so you guys are gonna be my company. I don't know if where this came from, but basically I really want to try to make like a mocha, like strawberry kind of drink. I saw Natalie make one with like a strawberry cold foam, and I also saw Starbucks currently has one out with like a strawberry kind of Valentine's Day drink, basically. I don't have an electric whisker, so I can't really make cold foam. So basically I'm just gonna pour this Nescafe concentrate syrup. This one's the sweet mocha flavor, so it's like chocolate and coffee together. I love all the flavors. I've tried them, except I haven't tried the caramel one, but I've tried them all and I love them all. I've tried every flavor and I love every flavor of this Nescafe concentrate syrup. It's such a good thing if you don't have a coffee machine. And got this random big strawberry milk, which my mum gave me, which she got when she went to the hospital and had a cancer treatment. And basically they gave her this and she just brought it home for me because she doesn't drink strawberry milk. And I've got my glass of ice. Also my glass, I don't know if you can read that, but it says every day is a great day to love yourself. And we're just going to mix this together and see what happens, basically. Can you see that? It smells very strong of the strawberry Big M. Also, I know they changed the packaging on these to paper instead of plastic for the turtles, and like better for the environment. And I'm all for doing things for the turtles because I love the turtles. I am a turtle mum. Got a turtle for my, what was it, 15th birthday? No, 16th birthday, but I got it like just before I turned 16. And I love him so much and he's thriving. But yeah, I just can't get behind the paper straws. I'm sorry. But I also can't get behind glass straws because of that video of someone having a glass straw and exploded, or like she got shards or something like that in her mouth. Can't get behind them. So me and my metal straw are going to try my delicious strawberry chopped mocha concoction thing. I don't really know, but you know what, it's fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. You know what, I'm sorry, but that's really good. I feel as though I did maybe more coffee than usual. Excuse me, more coffee than usual, because it's like quite a strong coffee kind of taste. Oh, and I didn't shake it, maybe that's why. The coffee taste is so much more stronger than previously. I feel as though maybe it's because I didn't shake it, now that I think about it. But I don't even know if it says to shake, I just do it. But it's so good. Like, this is actually decent. Don't knock it till you try it. If you try, actually comment and tell me, because this strawberry chocolate mocha concoction and cinnamon cream cheese hot cross bun. And bunny. the orange. And then my go-to Tessie. No. The colour is messy and no to do. So for my next favourite hobby, which is colouring in, I'll show you my new colouring book. I'm currently doing this one, which is my fourth one. I decided to get a different pack of colouring pencils to find some more shades of brown. And I've got some more shades of brown here, but I have more colouring supplies. But yeah, I'm going to colour this now. Because the colour, it didn't use the same green by accident, and that's green is meant to be that green. I couldn't figure it out because I have so many greens and I have greens here and I got overwhelmed, so I accidentally used the wrong colour there, but that's fine. And these I should have done a different colour. I don't like the colour that they turned out, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Now on to the next one. And it's still pretty gloomy outside. Whenever I colour in, I always write the date. So today I write the 13th, and I'll probably do it in more blue. 13th of February. I have to go back and write 11th on all of these. I'll show you the walkthrough of so far. The first one I did. the second one, the third one, today's one. Did I miss a pot? Oh yeah, I did. I missed a spot. Just I need to find that cookie colored one. Where is it? This one. I'm glad I looked because I literally missed a whole spot. Okay, and then this is the one I just did. Now this guy. I really want to make like a box for all my. Let me turn the light on. Coloring supplies. So I got a box. I might need a smaller one so I can keep all my colouring supplies together because I'm currently getting quite a cluster. So I feel like this might be big because it's like 30 litres, so I might put one piece down. If that's the case. Got my little sister's going downstairs in the garden. Actually, it's probably not that bad actually. I've got quite a lot. Just so I can put like all my books in and stuff so that I have a spot. I've got like a lot of colouring supplies. I have to put all my books in now. I forgot this one. And this one also has my little meal recipe kits that I've been doing. Got this one, the flowers one. I won't show you because I'm actually going to do a full video on my collection, on my colouring hobbies as you guys know, so I won't show you. But I feel as though I should think this box will be perfect, and I'll keep that one out that I'm currently using. I also got this one. I'll just get a sneak peek. And this one, actually I'll keep both of these out because I'm currently using them. And I'll get my colouring supplies, like my markers and pencils. This is the colouring books and supplies I'm going to leave out for now. And then these I'm going to put in the... This is the colouring in box for now. I love it. I've been meaning to do that. It's just been sitting in these bags. Oh, where? Yeah, that bag and that bag. It's been sitting in the bags. Sitting on this box. And these bags. But now I've got a whole big box just for my colouring supplies. Love. New location unlocked. Okay, my little sister's house. Caravan house. I'm just heating up my pipe. She has a microwave and we don't have a microwave upstairs. Well, we do, but it's like up the top. And I don't like getting it down because it's really heavy and it's like on the top shelf. And I'm just a girl. So, yeah. I'm just gonna work high. Pick which snack I want out of my basket of snacks. Look, I'll show you. I got chips here and I got a big box of mega chips in here which has very nice vinegar, cheese and onion, plain, Doritos, Twisties. I'm probably gonna go Skittles for my snack. I'm not chewing on my plate here for my pie. I'm honestly so happy that excuse my hair, I've been in the rain, but I'm so happy because I painted my nails, and what did I do? I painted my nails and I made my colouring box, which I've been meaning to do, and I made a fun drink, and I did 2 colouring ends for my book, and I think I'm gonna watch Mortified. Oh, my pie's ready. It's ready. I'll show you. Yep. Delicious. Oh, I think I need 2 hands. Yeah, so I think I'm either gonna I'm gonna have a bubble bath after I have my pie and my pretzels, and then I think I'm gonna watch Mortified because I started rewatching it yesterday night. I just watched like 20 minutes I think, which was like a childhood favourite show of mine, and it's honestly filmed like not that far, like somewhere in the Gold Coast was filmed, or I'm gonna try to find if I can find Saddle Club and watch that, because the theme song, hello world, this is me, life should be yeah, fun for everyone, it's stuck in my head. So I'm either gonna watch Mortified or try to find if I can find anywhere Saddle Club. But yeah, another bubble bath after I have my pie and my pretzels, and end the night with either Mortified or Saddle Club. This is me, that should be fun for everyone. Change it to normal Coke, pretzels and a pie. And this is the cheesy nacho CC's one, and it's amazing, 10 out of 10. Work buddy, look at her, and this is Dipsy, new toy she got for her 8th birthday. My love. Hey, my daughter. Ali Bob, good Dipsy. Precious girl. You're fresh too? It's currently 5:39 p.m. and I ended up having an epic shower, which was unexpected. I wasn't expecting to, but I just decided why not. So I feel really fresh and really cozy. I got my mini jump underneath. I ate my dinner and had my dinner, drinking my Coke, my pie and my pretzels. The rain stopped currently, but it's still like, it's getting a bit chilly. I'm gonna end the talking part. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I want to thank you all for spending the day with me. I'm sending you all the love and all the light, and I will see you in my next video. This will probably go either Saturday or Sunday. So my next video will either be Sunday or Wednesday, depending on what day after we will do this thing. I also cannot find Saddle Club anywhere, so I think I was mortified, but I'll let you guys know what I end up watching. Thank you so much for spending the day with me, and I hope everyone's doing well. I'm sending you all the love and all the light, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!